Hello everyone. So today I am going to guide you about how you can apply for ECA. If you want to plan to go to Canada, the very first thing comes in your mind is about evaluating your credentials. That is ECA, which is called Educational Credential Assessment, which is very necessary if you want your degrees to get evaluated by Canada. There are many agents all around us which charges a lot for this. It is a very easy process. You can do it by yourself. All you have to do is on your Opera, you have to search for WES. WES West, and you can see the very first site, that is www.west.organization.org. You can click inside it. If you're applying new, you have to click on Get Started. For new applications, you have to click on Get Started. First step is you have to submit your application and receive your WES reference number. I will explain you in the step 1. What will you do is you just put all your details and fill the application form. After filling and submit that form, you will get a WES reference number. In the step 2, what you have to do is you need some documents, and for that documents you have to go to your universities. You have to fill different forms. In that different forms, you will fill the WES reference number which you have got in the very first step. Here is West Canada. On clicking this, I have moved to the West Canada side. You can click on Contact Us. When you will go to university filling the forms, you have to add as a recipient this West Canada. This is the address. I am going to click on Apply Now option. On clicking this option, you have to choose Canada if you are applying for Canada. Yes, after going inside it, you can see first part is for those persons who want to continue their education and who want to get a license, and the second part is for those persons who want their ECA for immigration purposes. So I'm going to start the application by clicking on it. Now you just have to fill your name and your second. If you have any middle name, you can put here middle name, then the last name. To enter your date of birth. Okay, I'm going to fill date of birth. Just try to fill all the things accurately, because we are just applying it first time. We don't have the West number. Then you will put your email here. Then you will re-enter your email. You can choose any password here. Then you have to re-enter your password. You have to select a security question. If you will forget your password, you can use the security questions to get your password back. If you want to subscribe to West newsletter, you can click on here. Otherwise, you can leave it. Then you have to create your account. So it is very easy. I have done the first step, that is personal information. Then I have to fill my education. I will guide you how you can put your education here. So firstly, I will select my mailing address where you want them to mail your WES reports. Then you have to put your address. Okay. And the next thing, you have to put your phone number here. Now this is your login information. Means if you want to log in again in this, you will use this email and this password, and then you have to choose next option. You have done the very first 2 steps. Now what credentials have you earned? You have to add your credentials one by one. Like I will just show you one. You can put your all the credentials here, like your own country. Yeah, then you have to choose the type of education: university, state board, professional, secondary education, non-university. This is bachelor's degree, master's degree, or doctoral. I'm choosing bachelor's degree. And then you have to put the name of institution, that is where you have done your bachelor's. Then you have to put the name. You can choose from here also. Okay, your first name which is written on your credentials. You will write your first name which is given on your credential. Then you will write the last name. I'm just choosing any random name just to show you. Then you have to enter the field of study. So as I have chosen media, so I will write media. Year awarded, in which year you have earned your this degree. Then from, you have to provide the length of this degree also. Yeah, then you have to save it. Similarly, to add another education, you have to click on add another credential. I'm going to click next. I'm just putting my one education only. I'm just going to put next. Even I can add recipients as next package. You have to pay $220 for this. Then I'm clicking next. If you want standard mail, you have to pay $10. If you want international courier, you have to pay $85. Then you have to click next. When you complete this application, you will receive WES reference number. Enter your WES reference number on all envelopes and correspondence. So when you will complete all this, even in your mail also, you will receive this information about WES reference number in your mail. You can check your mail. Then I'm going to click next. Please review your application. Here you can recheck your application. If there is any mistake here, you can go back and correct that. You can edit using from here. And then after all this, you have to click all these options. Then you will move to next. Okay, then they are again asking you to check your name, your date of birth, because this will appear on your WES report also by using these methods, and you have to then submit. Okay, after paying it, you will submit it. And so this is very easy for you to apply for WES. In the further videos, I will guide you how you can even apply for IRCC, Express Entry, Saskatchewan, and many others. I will guide you one by one for these. So you don't have to go to agents. You can do it all by yourself. For guidance, I will be there for you. Thank you.